What are we doing today? Slime. Today, we're doing smoke and slime. So we're gonna get ready, and then we're gonna come back. So we'll be right back. Beginning.
Yeah, what spatula do you want?
You choose your spatula.
This thing is like you could get.
That's heavy. That's heavy. I'll be using this one then. The difference. Flimsy plastic. Metal. And we each have our bowls. Clink, clink. Good soup. Good soup. Good soup.
What does the baking soda do for slime? I've never seen that before.
You can use it with contact lens solution.
Oh, so it makes. Okay.
But we have this magical liquid. Don't mind the little bit of slime on this. I've had it for a while. It should still work.
Yeah, I mean...
It should. And we each have our own bottles of oil. And we have quite a few little metallic color things. We got containers for the end. There. We got a little baggie of foam thingies. This is all stuff that I just found in my basement, by the way. Like, I'm not a hoarder, guys, but I found all this in my basement. Oh! No, there's...
No, the other thing.
Oh. Lotion?
Lotion?
Lotion, or are you talking about this? This. Shaving foam. Fluffy slime. I need to take off my rings. Look. It's the tree of life. And I also got a little ferret. Because I have many ferrets. I have 3 right now. I have 3 ferrets at the moment. Their names are Kirby, Poppy, and Maggie. But we call Maggie Chicken Nugget because she's a little chicken nugget.
Do you want phloem?
Possibly. What I'm gonna do is...
I want it smooth. I want it smooth.
I think I'm probably gonna use the foam.
Yeah, go. What colors we got?
Ooh.
Oh. Oh. This one's so pretty.
This is gonna be a lot of slime.
That's what I'm saying. I want a big one.
I want a big one too.
Say,
that's why I got us.
Too.
That's why we have our own. That's why we have our own.
We like big slime.
We like big slime. We like big slime. I don't think. Oh, she has a lot to say.
It echoed.
She really has a lot to say. Wow.
How'd you get glitter in there already, girl?
A single piece of glitter.
Cover it. Just cover it.
So we do the color first, right?
I'm gonna do the color in the foam. Maybe a little bit of lotion.
I'm gonna do
it
a
has
blue.
Flowers on it, so I'm kind of skeptical.
I'm gonna do some sort of blue. That's not violet.
Huh?
That's not violet.
I feel like this would be more violet.
That's not violet.
Wait, the galaxy's kind of sick.
It is pretty sick.
Look at that.
Oh! I think that's the one I'm doing. Yeah. Yeah. Just a little bit. No!
Oh, even.
It is even. Even amount. Spattered on the table. Little squirty.
Farty hardy.
We're all little farty hardy. Little squirty squirty. All the above.
Are you going for that galaxy?
Yes, I am. It's right here.
I'm going for
I'm mixing first.
The green.
The
it says
green. I mean, that one said violet, so. Let's see. I don't know how much to do. Let's see. Oh.
It kind of has like a green shade.
Oh, I did a little more.
Don't even.
I'm trying to show. Yeah, you can see that.
Mixa.
Mix. Oh!
Yeah, that's why I started with a little. Oh my god!
I did a little bit of an oopsie. Just a little oopsie. But it's okay. It's okay. I have to be more gentle. Wait. I put in a lot.
I'm not really getting much iridescence once it goes in.
You see, me too. That's why I want to add more. Maybe...
Add the whole thing.
Exactly. I mean, we could. We could. Technically. Oh! No one saw that.
This guy's crazy.
Mine is just blue. It's literally just blue.
It looks like flesh.
It does look like flesh.
It's literally the same color as Flesh Peach, bro.
Flesh Peach! Flesh Peach! For the McDonald's Happy Meal toys, the Mario Kart ones. I was collecting them, and I have a total of 5 that I collected while I was in school, in college. Not anymore, for reasons. But anyway, we collected the Mario Karts, and that's the only important part. And we got a Flesh Peach.
It was rare. It was supposed to be rose gold.
Yes, I was about to say, it was supposed to be a rose gold peach, but turned out to be Flesh Peach. Ooh! Okay, I'll do the rest. I keep on doing it with the wind. The wind keeps on... Half of my pants are gonna be just
See, like, look how pretty
sparkly.
that is, but once I, like, mix it in, it doesn't look like that. Like that part right there.
It's so nice and glittery and green.
But then once I mix it, it just gets dark pink.
And this is the way mine looks right now. Like, that would be so cool. That would be so cool. Oh!
Personal space.
I think it was just a fly.
Oh wait, it kinda.
Wait, mine is kinda too.
Wait, I wanna see in the sunlight.
Oh, bring the camera to the sunlight. Bring the audience.
Oh, it's sparkly. Hey, wait.
It's sparkly in the sun.
It is sparkly in the sun.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
I'll bring mine over.
Oh yeah, yours will look cool too.
Ooh.
It's so pretty.
Oh, that's so pretty. Oh. So we just have to play with it in the sun.
Yeah, it looks like Aaron's thinking buddy.
It does.
Just like the thickness. Shut. Who the hell did that? What the hell? What the hell?
It's fine. It's fine.
What the hell? What the hell?
It just went.
Your little fingerprints.
What the Haley? Oh, on my pants I got little fingerprints. Wait.
Stop. Don't get on the table, bro.
See? They can see. They saw.
I think I'm gonna activate it.
You're gonna activate it?
I think I'm about ready.
You're about ready? It's right there. I kind of do want to do little foamies. I want to do just a little. Just a hair. It just looks like little balls.
It does.
It just looks like little balls are scattered throughout my slime now.
Well, that's what it is.
I mean, like, yeah, but like...
I mean, like, yeah, but like, no.
But like... Well, yes! Dude, a little fine. It's chigifying.
It's jigifying.
Jigifying. Okay. I don't know what's gonna happen.
That's okay.
Oh, it smells good.
She's getting good.
I can hear her. We should have gotten like a flat surface to like knead them on. This will work. This will work. Here, let's.
Oh, it looks like bubble gum.
Let's move all these guys.
Oh my god. It's getting the goop from the Cat in the Hat, bro.
Jane!
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 Oh, don't let it glide on out. I got my teeth fixed this morning because I chipped my front tooth while holding a needle in my mouth while sewing a sock monkey for my friend. So yeah, I got that fixed. It was nice. I'll show you guys. Ready? Look at that! It was right there. Did I just put slime in my mouth? Just only a little. It's okay.
Right.
It's right. Get it? Oh. Oh.
I think a little bit more.
It's a little sticky. I think it would be too sticky for you. Oh. No. You squished it.
If I can just like.
Gloop, gloop, gloop.
Oh yeah, for sure. Ready.
Coming together.
Mine's looking good.
Yours has been good. Hell yeah. Oh my god, show it in the light now.
Go to the light.
Go to the light. Go to the light. Go to the light. Go to the light.
Oh, it's all over my hands, bro. Oh, so aesthetic. With the green grass in the background, too.
So aesthetic.
Look, it's all over my hands. It's all over your hands. Yeah, yours is like more pearlescent than mine.
Yeah. It's also more sticky.
Playing with slime with one hand's weird. Oh, that was kind of cool.
There's fossilized worms on the ground that keep on getting wet and then just rehardening.
Ew. It was very phallic. Do you see it?
Oh. Very flaccid. There's the two types of playing with slime. Either you whip it around or you do that.
Stretch, fold, stretch, fold,
Ready?
stretch,
Ready?
fold, stretch, fold.
What are you making?
Go!
Slime, really?
Slime.
Why do you have a blowtorch?
I
was making my
dabs.
For dabs.
Oh!
You need a blowtorch?
Yeah. Because it needs to be a certain temperature.
It needs to be like 500 degrees. And doing that with a lighter
Is
would
that
take
healthy for you?
No, it's
It's
fine.
healthy.
It's not any more healthy than smoking a joint.
I was just thinking of you're like smoking like pure resin, like back then.
Well, there's different ways
There-
that like
You explain.
companies. Did you hear my crack? Oh, there's a little bit more money.
That is our landlord, my mother.
If she heard you say that.
No, my mummy. I love my mummy. I love my.
That's a
mummy.
landlord.
Our landlord. No, it's my mummy. It's both. Both.
Bam! You want that one? Here's it.
No, I don't want to. I just like slamming it.
I like it. I like to put my. Careful now!
Ah!
Careful now!
I'm getting too excited.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my hands are like iridescent.
No,
so are yours.
really?
So are yours.
Silly.
Yeah, it's easy to see on like the tips. He was a fairy. He was a fairy. Trying to get more. Wait. Cause like, if I put a little piece of slime in there, just a little one.
I didn't get it all in
Yeah.
there. True.
Annie, I'm so smart.
Oh.
I am so smart. Yeah. Come on. Wait.
That's the one.
Look at that. Let's see how this looks in the sun. Get me out of it. Oh. Wait, let's go this way.
Oh, look how pretty it looks.
Ooh, it looks like a little rose. Ready? Oh. Oh.
Wait, what's that?
Oh, and mine is all spread out.
Oh.
Mine's all spread out. Alright. Think we're gonna call the video here so we can watch Cat in the Hat and play with our slime. So, yeah. Nice little short smoking slime.
Smoking slime.
And we should do this again when we have more shaving foam. Yeah. 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 Toodles. Bye.